Welcome to the Top 4 Earn channel. There's an app out there that I tried out recently that made me $200 by doing nothing more than playing games. Stay tuned and keep watching to find out what the app is, and I have a big bonus for you at the end of the video here at Top 4 Earn. We will teach you how to make money online 2023 using my methods. Subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell. Make sure to like it, and if you have any questions, concerns or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment down below. Now let's get started. This is one of the best ones I've seen thus far, and as you've seen in that intro, I did make money using it. I will show you reviews that also prove that we are talking about a completely legitimate app that will pay you, and as I said, I do have a bonus for all of you who stay until the end of the video. But that said, the app is called Gift Play, and I am now at their official website giftplay.io. The way this app works is it pays you for playing games. As I said at a scene right here, you play, we pay. Play free mobile games, make money, earn rewards and gift cards. Now this app is available for Google Play Store only as of now. Unfortunately, it's not available for iOS, but we can count on it changing sometime in the future. Anyways, something I love about this app is that you don't have to play a game for a set amount of time before getting paid. You will earn money every minute that you spend playing games. The more time you play, the more coins you will earn. It's as simple as that, and let's face it, who doesn't like playing games? It's fun, especially when compared to surveys or other methods with which you can make money online that are outright boring and painstakingly long to complete and only pay a tiny amount of cash. You can see here it says, are you looking for an app that pays you for playing games? Introducing Gift Play, the app that allows you to make money and earn gift cards by playing games. No purchase is necessary, no paying to win, so this is a free app and you don't have to pay them anything to be able to get paid playing games. Here you can see that you get paid in coins, and those coins you can of course redeem for money. Moreover, another way they have for you to earn money is by referring people, so you can get some of your friends and family to try this game out, and when they do, you will get paid in return, which is awesome. With that said, something I know many of you will love is that you don't just get paid through gift cards as is the case with some other apps. Redeem your coins for a PayPal, Cash Out, or a variety of top branded gift cards like Amazon, Google Play, iTunes, etc. So yes, for those of you who do love PayPal, it is indeed available for this app. And if you perhaps are looking to get paid through a gift card, they offer gift cards from huge companies like Amazon, for example. Another awesome feature of this app is that they literally have an unlimited amount of games for you to choose from, and they have various game types as well. You have a casual, strategy, action, puzzle, adventure, arcade, and many more. You can play any game you like and start collecting coins, as I said right here. Now, something I've noticed that while they may have different games, most of them are only available for those in the US, UK, Canada, and most countries in Europe. Unfortunately, for some countries the number of games is a bit limited, but I'm sure that'll change soon enough in the future. Now, if you scroll down on their homepage here, you will see how this app looks on your smartphone device, and I think many of you will love it. With all of that said, there is one big thing I have to show you, which I promised back in the beginning, and that's the reviews. You can check them out yourselves by going over to Google Play, and this app has one of the best reviews I've seen out there. It has a rating of 4 stars with almost 3,000 reviews. Now this shows more than I ever could that this is a 100% legitimate app. As you can see down here, the vast majority of users rated it as 5 stars, so this does work most definitely, and they've paid out thousands of people out there. So go ahead and give this app a try. You can't lose anything, and I promise you won't be disappointed. If you're enjoying the video, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to leave a comment down below. Now, with all of that said and done, as I said in the beginning, I do have a bonus for those of you who want to make even more money. Now, the next platform I'm about to show you can earn you money by doing other things instead of just playing games. This site is called Arazoo.com. This site allows you to make money in many different ways. You can see up here you can download apps, watch videos, complete surveys, which as always I wouldn't recommend. You can complete offers, and last but definitely not the least, you can play games to get paid. Speaking of getting paid, they will also pay you either through cash or gift cards, as you can see right here, and they have paid out over $100 million up to this point. In case some of you are wondering whether or not this is legit, you can see down here that the likes of CNN, Yahoo, The Wall Street Journal, and other huge companies are showcased here, which would not be the case if this wasn't legit. Now, how this exactly works is as follows. You first had to join this website by signing up. You then earn points either by playing games, completing surveys, or whatever, and then you choose your rewards. And as you can see, they also offer Amazon gift cards, but if you want to get paid in cash, PayPal is indeed available too. Now, you can read more about Arazoo here, but I simply won't go over it as to not prolong this video. For you to start earning money here, what you need to do is click on join in the upper right corner, then enter in your email address first first and last name's your password, and then click on create an account right here, or you can just click on join with Facebook to create an account faster. In case you decide to create an account via email, you will need to come over to your Gmail account, open up a message that looks like this, and just click on activate your Irsu account, after which you will be able to start making money. So those are the apps I wanted to share with you today. Now the one I prefer is the first one. I tried many apps until this point, that's arguably one of the best that I've seen, but what I would recommend for you to combine both of the apps I showed you today, so not just Irsu, not just Gift Play, but use both of them to maximize your earnings and earn as much money as possible. So that's it for today's video. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. I hope you got some value out of this video, and if you did, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to the channel. This is Top 4 Earn, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.